Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. I wanted to do one more video showing the Tool Wrangler. These are available on Amazon. I will include a link, but basically they are very high quality. Don't be fooled by 3D printed ones that are knockoffs. They come in sets like this, and I had a couple left over from my workbench that I did in my basement. Now that I'm in my outdoor shop, I have a few extra that I want to add underneath this table. It used to be a kitchen table. I converted it into a workbench. But I think what would be the easiest thing for me to do, the way this table's set up, it has like 3 sections where you can put a leaf in. So I can't really run a full piece of 2x4s underneath. There's like a left, right, and middle section. So I'm gonna cut a 2x4. I'm gonna mount them on that and then install it underneath here. But I just wanted to do one more video in case anybody missed it. They're made right now for the DeWalt line of 20-volt batteries and tools. The inventor is going to be adding other popular brands to that lineup. So if you want, Tool Wrangler is on Instagram. You'll want to give him a follow, and that way you won't miss new product launches. So again, I just wanted to do a quick video showing you that this is out there. It's a really great product. I love it. Frees up space. You can see what's missing. I have one on my battery charger to keep dust out of it. I do have more of these. I have another video coming up where I'm taking an old shop vac and converting it into something useful for my garage, but I'm gonna reserve a few of them to do on that project. But basically, I think when you order them, you can order in quantities. I think you get 10 of them. Don't quote me on that though. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut a piece, a 2x4 piece that goes underneath here, install them on it, mount it underneath here, and then do a shot to show you how these work in real life. So hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, so what I did was cut a 13-inch section of just, this is scrap 2x4s I have on hand. This is probably currently worth $60 with prices of lumber right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and mount these. There is hardware that comes with it. Now these don't fit completely on there. I'm okay if this back half hangs off a little bit. So I'm gonna have 2 sets on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount those with the hardware that comes with it. And I hope somebody sees this and says, oh my gosh, that's exactly what I need for my shop. So this is part of the hardware that comes with it. I'm gonna use these for the holes that are raised up, but for the one that's recessed a little bit, I'm gonna use these 1-inch screws just because I don't want it to come all the way and poke through the 2x4. So just very easy. I'm gonna pick which side, how I want this to go. I'm gonna mount it with the, technically this is gonna be the front, and I'm gonna make it flush with this piece. Pre-drill my holes. Did my center one first, that way I could kind of adjust it into place. Okay, there's one. These are the ones that accept a tool. It slides on like that. So wherever you're gonna hang this, you just wanna make sure that you have room for everything to clear. These are the ones that take the battery. Clicks on like that to release. Just release the battery. I want to alternate. Oh, I'm just realizing the ones for the batteries are not quite as long. But again, I'm going to line them up on what's going to be the front. I did not show how I mounted that on camera because I was up underneath it. It's near impossible to film. I would definitely recommend whenever you do anything like this that includes spacing to get like a block. Makes work go a lot faster. But anyway, the 4 pieces are mounted underneath there, and I will show you briefly how they work. Batteries slide in like that. Tools go like that. It's just a really nice way to organize everything. I use these the most, so I'm gonna have them handy. So the link is in the description of this video. I hope you'll follow me on Instagram and TikTok and everywhere else. And until next time, take care.